Make a great choice today with the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.